Did you know our body uses inflammation to protect us from injury, infection, and more? And while this sounds good, research shows that inflammation can also negatively impact our longevity. Life extensions experts learned that two nutrients working together can help you fight against the anti-aging effects of inflammation. The first one is curcumin. You've probably heard of this golden spice, but did you know that it helps promote a healthy inflammatory response? It's also a powerful inhibitor of oxidative stress, gobbling up free radicals before they can start causing trouble. The second nutrient is specialized pro-resolving mediators, or SPMs. Derived from the omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil, SPMs help the body remove cellular debris and build new healthy tissue. Together, curcumin and SPMs make a perfect combo for optimizing your healthy inflammatory response. Ready to learn more about fighting inflammation? To get the latest insight, advice, and more, visit the Health Basics section on lifeextension.com today.